we are going to do revision of chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Friends in the Park. We have read this story in the class. Today again we will do revision of this story and this chapter. This is a story about two friends. Like you all have friends? Yes, you all have your best friend, and like Manu has also one friend. The name of the friend is Amina. They both are friends. The name of the friends is Manu and Amina. Manu goes to the park to play every evening. Manu's friend Amina goes to the park too. They run around and play with other children. They daily go to the park in the evening time and they play with the other children also. Now you can see in the picture they all are playing on the slippery slide, on the swings and on the seesaw also. They love to play on the seesaw and the slippery slide. Most of all they love the swings. All they love to play on the swings. There are only 2 swings in the park, but there are only 2 swings in the park. But the children are many. All the children like to swing. They take turns so that all can have fun. They never fight to take swings. They take turns so that all can have fun. That's great. They all are good friends and they never fight. But one day a new boy, Sunny, comes to the park. He is tall and strong. He wants to sit on the swing. He pushes Manu off the swing. One day a new boy came, and what is the name of the boy? Sunny. Is he a good boy or bad boy? Bad, rough boy. He is very tall and strong. Manu hurts his leg. Amina is sad. Don't be rough, Sunny, she says. Sunny doesn't listen to her. The next day, nobody wants to play with Sunny. You are too rough, they say. Why they don't want to play with Sunny? Because they all think that Sunny is very rough boy. But when nobody wants to play with Sunny, he feels bad. Sunny feels bad. He says sorry to Manu. Manu and Amina play with Sunny. The others join in too. So this is the story about friends, that how we should play with each other. We should never fight with each other. We should not push the friends. They can get hurt. If you hurt to someone, we should say sorry. And we should listen to others also, that what they are saying. We should obey our teachers, parents as well as our friends also. Now we will do the exercise of chapter number 2. The first exercise is tick the correct answer. The question number 1 is, where does Manu go to play? A letter, the school playground. B letter, the park. And the correct answer is the park. What do Manu and Amina do with the other children? They run around and play, or they read books. What do they do in the garden or park? They will not read the books. They run around and they play. The children not play in the park. They always run around and play. Third number, what do they love the most in the park? They love the seesaw the most. They love the swings the most. Yes, they love the swings the most. So B is the correct answer, not A. Why do the children not want to play with Sunny? A letter, because he is too big. B letter, because he is too rough. And the correct answer is he is too rough. The fifth question is, what does Sunny do in the end? He laughs at them. He says sorry to Manu. Yes, the correct answer is B. He says sorry to Manu. The B topic is, write yes if these sentences are true, or no if these sentences are not true. But I have put tick or cross. If the sentence is true, then we will put tick. If the sentence is wrong, then I have put cross. The first question is sentence is Manu and Amina love to play on the seesaw and the slippery slide. Yes, they love to play on the seesaw also and on the slippery slide too. There were 3 swings in the park. No, there were only 2 swings in the park and they all take turns so that all can have fun. So there was no 3 swings. So it is a wrong. No. Sunny, third one, Sunny pushed Manu off the swing. Yes. So then he get hurt also when he pushed Sunny. When he pushed Manu, then Manu hurt his leg also. Manu hurt his leg because of Sunny? Yes. Sunny listened to Amina? No, but at the end he listened to Amina. Not in the beginning. When no one was playing to Sunny, then he said sorry. But earlier he was not listening to anyone. So this topic is about he, she, they, it. It's grammar topic. Now you will see that where do we use he, she, they, it. This topic we have done in the class also. Now read these sentences. First sentence is Manu goes to the park. Highlighted word is Manu. It means we are talking about Manu. He is happy there. He means Manu is a boy, one boy. For one boy we will use he. Number 2. Amina likes to play on the seesaw. She is Manu's friend. Amina is a girl. For one girl we will use she. 3 number. The children like to swing. They are ready to take turns. Children, many, more than one. For them we will use they. The park, 4 number sentence. The park is near Manu's house. It is a big park. Park, it is a place. Park is a place. So place or for one thing, for one animal we will use it. He we use for one boy. She we use for one girl. They we use more than one person. More than one person, animal, things. It we use for one animal and one thing. The next topic is, the same topic is here, but it is an exercise of the same topic. Circle the right options in these sentences. Earlier the words were highlighted. Now it is underlined. The first sentence is Rajesh is my friend. He, she is a tall boy. Now who is Rajesh? Rajesh is a boy, one boy. For one boy we will circle he letter, he word. Next is Amina stays near my house. He, she is my friend. Now you can see here we are talking about Amina. Only one girl. So tell me that who is Amina? Amina is a girl, one girl. For one girl you will use she. Manu and Amina play with Sunny. They, he go to the park to play. Now here we are talking about more than one person. Manu and Amina. More than one person means many. Here we are talking about many person. So here you will use they word for Manu and Amina. The 4 number, the little dog is my pet. It, they is friendly. Now here we are talking about dog. So who is a dog? Dog is a one animal. I have told you whenever we are talking about one animal, one person, sorry not one person, one animal and one thing, place, that time we use it. I, we, you. The next topic is I, we, you. That where do we use I, we, you and what do we use with I, we, you? This is very clear to you that with I letter we always use am. With we means Asi, I and my friend, I and my mother, Gopi, Meeta and I means we, Asi. And you, when we are talking to the person directly, That time we use you. ਤੁਸੀਂ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ. That time we use you. So tick the right options in these sentences. You are my classmate. With which word we use are? I are or you are? Yes, you are. So here you will circle or put a tick on the you word. Number 2, I am dancing. So who are dancing? We am dancing or I am dancing? I am dancing. So here you will put a tick on the I letter. Third number, we are playing. I are playing or we are playing? Yes, we are playing. With I, we use am. With you and we use are. Next topic is on the next page. Let's read the heading. Look at the pictures on the next page. Write the names of the things. Choose from the box. These are the vocabulary words. Whenever I am sending you vocabulary words, please learn these words and try to read and write. This is a vocabulary. And try to make sentences of these words also. Seesaw, swing, slide, bench, tree, merry-go-round. Whenever you are writing vocabulary words, keep always it in your mind that first letter should be small. Don't write the first letter. First letter should not be capital. It should be small letter when you are writing vocabulary words. Now here you can see seesaw, S is small, swing, S small, bench, B small, tree, T small, merry-go-round, M is small. Now the first picture. What is this on the first picture? Seesaw or slide? Yes, slide. 2 number, bench. 3 number, seesaw. 4 number, tree. 5 number, merry-go-round. 6, swing. Now these are the exercise of chapter number 2, Friends in the Park. This I have taken from the workbook. Circle the right option. Number 1. You have to choose the correct ones. Same topic is given here. We have to see that where do we use he, she, it, they. Now first sentence, Shweta is going to park. He, she is late. Now we are talking about Shweta. You can see in the picture also that girl is standing and she has school bag. Means Shweta, she is Shweta and Shweta is going to school. For one girl, we will use he or she. Yes, she is late. Shweta is going to school and she is late. My father is going to Delhi. Who is going to Delhi? My father. Means here we are talking about my father. He or she is going there to meet my uncle. My father is going. Who is my father? He is a boy or girl? Boy. Then for father, for one boy, one uncle, we will use he. Now see the third one. Meera and Radhika are reading. Here we are talking about more than one person. Meera and Radhika are reading. They love storybooks. It means we will talk about one animal or one thing. But they are person. Meera and Radhika, more than one. Here you will circle they word. Next. Have you seen my book? They is lost. Book. Again we are talking about one thing. For one thing you will use it. The girls are playing hockey. Girls. Now S is added here to show them many. Means here we are talking about many girls. We play hockey every Saturday. Girls. Then many girls. Here you will use they. They don't write the girls and I. If the sentence is the girls and I are playing hockey, then you will use we. The girls and I means asi. Here we are talking about the girls, other girls. Apa kisi hor bari gal kar rahe hain. Girls means they, many girls. Here you will circle they word. Fill in the blanks with I, we or you. First sentence is dash I, we am learning to ride a bicycle. Now you can see that with am word we always use I. I am, not we am. Here you will use I am. Dash you or I are going to watch a movie. You are going to watch a movie or I are going to watch a movie? Yes, you are. The correct word is you. Third one, I, we are painting the wall. I are painting or we are painting? Yes, we are painting the wall. Please give me some water. Dash, we, I am thirsty. Not we am thirsty, I am thirsty. 5 number, dash, you, I are a good swimmer. You are a good swimmer or I are a good swimmer. So here you will put the tick on you. You are a good swimmer. I think you have understood this topic. You have understood this topic, that where do we use I, we, you. I have told you to learn the vocabularies. If you have learned the words, then only you can match these words. If you don't have learned the words, then you are not able to, then you will be not able to match these words or choose the correct word. Grass, slide, ball, seesaw. Like this you will do many words. I hope you all have understood all the topics. Let's recall all the topics that what we have done in this video. First we did story about two friends. Then we did the topic he, she, it. Then we use I, we, you. And then we did vocabulary. I hope you all have understood these topics and you all are doing revision very well. Best of luck for the exams. Take care. Bye.